Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. All right, guys. So today I have a tutorial for you on how to put together these bow dies from Scrap Diva Designs. And so this is going to be a tutorial on how I put mine together, okay? This die set is $20 on the site, but you guys can use my code Bucci10 to get 10% off. I'll link everything down below so you guys can just click on it and check it out. But this die set is $19.99. It actually makes two double layer bows, and one is large and one is small. Okay, so this is the large one, this piece here, and then you also get the back piece, which is this one for there. I just been kind of using them, so I'm slowly putting them on the magnet sheet as I'm using them, so that I don't lose any pieces, guys, because it is 18 pieces. Okay, there is 18 pieces in the set, and honestly, the possibilities are endless. Okay, so here's this large bow, get the double layer, and then we have the small one here. Okay, you also get the witch feet, which is this. You get the witch boot. You get both sizes, guys, so two sizes of everything. The little layering piece, which is here for the boot. I gotta cut that piece out for this tutorial. And then you also get two of these. These can act as a skirt. It's supposed to be a skirt, like a tattered skirt for the bow. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. We'll put it together. And then you also get these two little pieces for the middles of the bows, okay? So let's get started, guys. You guys know that bows are my jam. I gotta stop saying my jam. Like, why am I saying that? But you guys know bows are my things. My thing. I love, love, love bows. I am a bow hoe for show. And so I went ahead and I cut these two. And I wanted to show you guys how to put these bows together, okay? So let me see what I'm thinking. I went ahead and cut out these pieces and the witch's feet so I can have them ready. So as you can see, the back piece I did in pink cardstock, okay? And then I went ahead and I cut another piece here for the legs because I wanted to have, like a pattern. I didn't want it to be solid cardstock. And then we still have to add that little, layering piece or whatnot. But how cute are these witch legs? This is going to be adorable. So let's move this to the side and let's get started. Now, I like to make my bows extra. I'm going to actually be putting some trim, okay? I have this trim in black, and I want to put that on the edge. So I already went ahead and I made a bow. This is what this bow is going to look like. And I went ahead and I attached it to this little skull that she also has in store. I'll link that down below. How cute is that, guys, as a little embellishment? Super adorable. I got all this texture going on with the trims and the tulle. So let me just do this, okay? So we'll do the ghost on the front because this is double-sided cardstock. And I'm going to glue on the back this trim, okay? So I'll show you guys how I do that. I just take some hot glue. And really, you do not have to glue this all the way from, top to bottom, all the way around. Because when you fold your bow, you're really not going to see all that. So I like to just put a little bit here. Just about like there. Okay. My glue's not hot enough. It's drying really quickly. Hold on. Let's take that off. And let's try that again. You guys can use fabric glue. Whatever glue works for you. You got to work pretty fast because as you can see, the glue dries quickly. Let me just do it piece by piece. So I'm going to make sure that I have that lined up nicely to the top. And again, I'm not going to go all the way because a lot of this bow is going to be hidden. This is just to add some extra texture, okay? To fancy up your bows. Because you guys don't want to be making no basic bows. Because we're bow hoes, okay? So there's that. And I'll go ahead and clip that. So I'm going to do a time lapse. So you guys this won't take forever, okay? And I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the trim. Super cute. We're going to go ahead and take our bone folder, and I'm going to go ahead and manipulate this paper. You want to always do this with your bows so that they look good. You don't want any creasing with the paper since we are working with paper. Okay. And again, this die makes 2 double layer bows. I'm going to do a single layer because I got a lot going on with this bow already as it is. So I'm just going to flip that around. We'll go ahead and assemble this. I'm going to add some hot glue. Definitely make sure that you use your bone folder and manipulate that paper because you want a nice round puffy bow. Fluffy bows. Just like that. Okay, and if it starts to flatten on you, you can always take something like the end of a paintbrush and jam that in there to make sure that it's nice and fluffy. Okay, this one's kind of small. There we go. You want that nice little fluff. All right, so there it goes. Look at the little detail that adds. All right, and I want to take it another step further, and I want to add some tulle. See, the good thing about the double-sided paper is that you can flip it and use the another design. Okay, so let me grab my tool. I think I want to use pink for this one. We'll try the pink. So I'm just going to cut a piece of tulle. And you guys already know how to make a bow. I've showed this several times on my channel. And I'm just going to take some hot glue, put it on my silicone mat. You got to be extra careful with tulle because the hot glue will seep through. And I'll just adjust my bow a little bit. Okay, just like that. This one might be too long, but we'll see. All right, and this stuff just peels off with the silicone mat. So we have our little bow, tulle bow, and we will add that on here for some extra texture. Okay, so that's how that will look. I think I like the pink, guys. So we'll add some more hot glue. Add our tulle. These little protectors from Dollar Tree, guys, they're so handy. You have to have these in your stash. Just like that. And you can go ahead and pick off the uglies with the hot glue, from the hot glue. Okay. So there goes our tulle bow. And make sure I fluff it out because I think I glued it a little too much in the middle. There we go. Just like that. Make sure you adjust that really well before you stick your next layer down. So I'll add some more hot glue and we will lay our bow down. And I only want to glue it in the middle, okay? I don't want to glue really under there because, again, I like my bows to be nice and fluffy. And adjust this so it's laying nice. There we go. And to add even more interest, I'm going to go ahead and use some of this eyelash trim. And this stuff is nice and long. And we'll go ahead with our hot glue. Hot glue is your BFF when it comes to bow making, in my opinion. Some people like using tape and all that stuff. I prefer hot glue. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap it around maybe 3 times. Not much, because this stuff is thick and it does have like a lot on it. So we don't need too much. Okay, let me trim that. Look at how cute, you guys. I love all the texture. You guys gotta let me know how you like if you like how the pink looks. You can put any color tool. You can use any collection, any color papers. And you can still see the little ghosties. So I probably will stick like a little cabochon or something like that there. But there goes our bow. So let's go ahead and put it with the witch leg so you guys can see the full look, okay? So I went ahead and I cut these 2 pieces out of glitter cardstock and the pattern paper, and then I actually lined it with black because I wanted it to pop more, okay? So basically you would just stick these together. I'm trying to think if I want to add tulle. I did put some tulle together. Let's see. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for it. So let me actually stick this on the back of my bow. So again, this die is really cool, guys, because the possibilities are endless. There's so many pieces in here that you just can do so many different combinations and just all kinds of things with it. I'm gonna let that stick well. Okay. I think that's good. And then I went ahead and I put a pop dot here, some foam tape to raise it up so it can get that layered look. And I'm going to go ahead and glue that there, okay? So let's go with our hot glue. Look at how pretty this is. So pretty. It needs like a little skull there or a little spider. I will have these done up all the way on my Instagram and also on TikTok. So guys, make sure you're following me there so you can check out the finished look. Just making sure I got this on here really good. I don't want to cover up too much of this, you know. I want that skirt to really show. Okay. And then all we have to do is stick our legs here. Look at how cute that is. Let's go ahead and do it. I want my little ghosties to show. And you guys can glue your legs however you like. You can make them close together, wide apart. I'm going to go for it right there, about there. And if you ever get this excess glue right here, grab your tweezers while it's drying and just pull it off. It comes right off. Got all these little glue uglies. And let's go ahead and glue this one as well. Isn't this paper so cute with the little ghost? I love it. So about right there, I want to do mine. Let's tilt it a little bit. So there goes your witch bow. Isn't that so cute, guys? It's so adorable. So like I said, the possibilities are endless. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys, like I said, the possibilities are endless. You can do so many different things with this bow die. I actually took the skirt part and I layered it on the back of this bow. So look, it gives you a completely different bow. Really cute, very Halloween. And like I said, you can use these bows for whatever kind of projects. I stuck this one on the skull. That's also available at Scrap Diva Designs. I will link that down below once again. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Guys, she is sold out on a lot of the stuff. It will be restocking very soon, but this bow die is available. So all my night owls, make sure that you run and you snatch this bow die if you're interested in it. Use my code Poochie10 to get 10% off of your entire purchase. Okay, guys? And yeah, take advantage of this bow die because it's so cute. All my bohos need this die, okay? So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you like how this came out. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.